Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the file in a robust reader so you control print options. Once the PDF is loaded, inspect page size and images. Choose 300 dpi for crisp output. Make sure you select the correct printer and then click Preferences or Properties. That opens the controls where contrast, color, and quality live. You do this now so later steps alter actual print behavior instead of only previewing. This saves time and prevents repeated test pages. Now you change the settings that make prints darker. In Preferences, set quality to high or best and raise DPI to 300 or 600. Higher DPI increases per pixel ink deposition. Next, find a toner, density, or darkness slider and increase it by about 10 to 30%, because small boosts deepen blacks without crushing midtones. If present, select your printer profile or disable automatic color correction, so the printer follows the PDF's blacks. You finish by printing one test page to verify darkness and detail. If blacks remain weak, convert text and key artwork to 100% black, or use the viewer's print as image option so rasterization forces denser output. Make incremental adjustments and reprint until satisfied. If results still fail, check toner levels, run a printhead cleaning cycle, and update or reinstall the printer driver. These steps usually fix mechanical or driver-related lightness issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.